You're watching Zero the Painter. Please click like and subscribe.
Welcome, Doctor Who fans and art enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of the Fourth Doctor, portrayed by the legendary Tom Baker. Known for his iconic long scarf and whimsical personality, Baker's Doctor has captured the hearts of fans for generations. Join us as Zero paints a lifelike portrait of this iconic actor. Let's take a little journey through time and space together and examine the Fourth Doctor. Tom Baker's portrayal of the Fourth Doctor is renowned for his distinctive look, characterized by his long scarf, wide-brimmed hat, and curly hair. The scarf, which was knitted by a fan, became one of the most recognizable elements of his character. Tom Baker holds the record for the longest continuous run as the Doctor, portraying the character from 1974 to 1981. Across 7 seasons and numerous special episodes, the Fourth Doctor is known for his eccentric personality, combining a childlike wonder with a mischievous streak. Baker brought a unique blend of humor and darkness to the role, making his Doctor both lovable and unpredictable. Some of the most beloved episodes of Doctor Who aired during Baker's time, including Genesis of the Daleks, where the Doctor confronts the creation of the Daleks. Baker made a memorable return to Doctor Who in the 50th anniversary special, The Day of the Doctor, where he appeared as the curator. Who was your favorite Doctor? If you liked this video, you know what to do. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again real soon.